How to remove duplicates in photos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove duplicates in photos on iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now scroll down to Utilities and tap on Duplicates. And also note that this option only appears if photos had detected duplicates in your libraries. And now to merge a single set of duplicates, you can simply tap merge next to it. But to merge multiple sets at once, you can simply tap select and then choose the duplicates you want to merge or tap select all. And when prompted, choose to merge only exact duplicates or all photos that appear similar but may have different resolution or file formats. Once you are done with that, you can simply tap merge items to confirm. And after that, the photos will keep the highest quality version and merge relevant details like captions, keywords, and favorites. And the removed duplicates will be sent to the recently deleted folder. And that's it. A quick and easy way to clean up your photo library. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.